This tutorial starts directly inside the ICR workspace, not at login. The data are the public Fleiss psychiatric diagnosis example, 10 patients, 14 psychiatrist coders, and 5 diagnosis categories. The summary cards are the first quality check. The latest value is Fleiss kappa, about 0.210. The workspace has 14 human coders, completed runs, and no item-level disagreement queue for this count table example. The useful result is in the content coding by human-human cell. Expanding the cell shows Fleiss kappa together with Krippendorf alpha and percent agreement, so the viewer sees the result rather than a single unexplained number. The original public example is published as category counts. For this demo, those counts are expanded into exchangeable psychiatrist labels so AI4Meta can build the coder by item matrix. Do not interpret the generated psychiatrist IDs as historical identities.